Good morning, everybody. The unicorn spirit says, yes, what you're asking about is the truth. The universe is conspiring in your favor. You need to think on your feet and pay attention to your work. A powerful transformation is underway. We need to trust the process. You are on the road to success. Try out new things and be patient. A time of great change is upon us. We really do need to trust. You deserve sugar, not salt, and trust that you can overcome your frustrations. Release your guilt and claim your independence. Our angel card is justice, and it says fight for justice and equality. Rulings are being made in your favor. Don't give up. Move forward with a positive attitude. Do not be tempted to lower your standards. Don't seek anyone else's approval. It is time to collaborate with others, but stick to your own truth. You're not worrying about the past things anymore. You're dealing with what you have in hand, and you are receiving a lot of love from spirit. You don't need someone else to fix you, and you can overcome any obstacle. Just ask your angels; they are with you, helping you every day. Change your life, says Archangel Camille. A sudden revelation that offers you freedom. Break free of procrastination. Embrace the opportunities that change bring. Something is coming to you suddenly, and you'll have to take action. It's an opportunity or a windfall, and you can be your own knight in this situation. You can do what makes you happy. But be generous and kind and loving to yourself and everyone around you. There is stability. This gift is going to bring you stability and a victory in some endeavor. Remember to practice self-love, and Spirit says tend to the small things and clear out the clutter. That's in your mind and in your home. Your loved one says, communicate with your angels. You have the ability to connect with the beings of love who surround you. Communicate with your angels and deliver their healing messages to others. That's beautiful. Have a lovely day, everybody.